You ready to go in? Ready to go into the room? 4, 3, 1. Yeah. So just checked in to our first hotel stop in Houston. This is Home2Suites by Hilton. And of course I got my special guest, Miss Kuma. So what's your favorite? What's your favorite part about this? I know you were like scratching your back on the carpet earlier. You seem to really like that. Yeah. Yeah, so it's really nice, very, very clean and very spacious. So let me give you a little tour of, there, the lighting's a lot better here. So let me give you a little tour of this hotel room. I'm gonna start back here, Kuma. What do you think? I think we should start in the beginning, right? Yeah. So over here, I'm gonna show over here, like what's in there. Yeah, so over here is the bathroom. A stand-up shower room in here. So they got Neutrogena shampoo and shower gel. Looks like a good size. They got that footrest. Candy really loves that. In addition to her magnifying mirror, she likes these footrests. Right, Kuma? Isn't that right? Did you want to take a shower too? Nah, okay. So lots of towels. There's 2 towels and some hand towels. That's probably what you lay on the floor. Drawers. Guessing that's the hair dryer. Some more Neutrogena products. There's body lotion, conditioners over here, and bath soap. And then some hand towels, tissue. Nice size mirror, I like the lighting there. Okay, and then next, Kuma, is, I like this kitchen a lot. This is really nice. I like that it's almost a full-size fridge, like a medium size. And there's a freezer, which is great because I could freeze all my ice packs I've been bringing along with me. I wasn't sure if I would have that or not. So then we got some dishes in here, a microwave, a sink, some coffee. Let's see what kind of coffee they have. Coffee bean rainforest blend, okay. Lots of utensils. Okay, some more big dishes. And like a little cutting board, a toaster, and a strainer. Wow, I wasn't expecting that. They also provide paper towels, an ice bucket, dish towels, some dish soap. Okay, you ready to move along? You wanna show over here? Let's go over here, yeah, okay. Okay, what's over here, Kuma? What's over here? Is this our, this is our living area. I have all my stuff here. I have so much stuff because, you know, I don't know how long I'll be in California. So I just brought all the things that I needed, and I didn't want to leave my valuables in the car, so I just brought everything with me. But here is a nice little sofa, and there's also a nice full-length mirror there. And over here is a nice desk area. I like this chair too, it looks very ergonomic. And the TV. Okay, some extra bedding. And then drawers if you need the space. And a nice big bed. I believe this is a king size bed, so Kuma and I will have lots and lots of room together, right? Also notice that this is actually a sofa bed. So it's like a pull out. And I guess that's why they have this divider here, so you can get some privacy. It's very thoughtful. This must be like a closet, yep. A closet with some hangers, an iron, and ironing board. Oh, this is a lamp. I wasn't sure what this was at first. So if I turn this on, yeah, it's a lamp, okay. It's an interesting looking lamp. What you doing? Are you hiding? What you doing? And out here is our view. I haven't looked at it yet. Okay, some construction over there. Did you want to look too? Yeah. Yeah, do you like the view? What do you think? It's not our pool view at home, but yeah, so just, you know, you see that's the I-10 right there in the distance. Do you want to check out the bed? Do you want to test out the bed, see how it is? What do you think? You want to test out the bed? Okay. How is the bed? How's the bed, Miss Kuma? You don't care for it? Oh, you want the view. You want to look at the view. Okay. Yeah, you weren't tall enough to look at it earlier. So yeah, that's the view. What do you think? Looks like cars out there, huh? This is the alarm, and there's a USB adapter here, some plugs. Also, since I am a gold member, I get 2 free bottles of water, which I needed because I was kind of running out of water. I thought I brought enough, but I've kind of been going through them like crazy. And some snacks. Ooh, Twix. I do like Twix and tropical fruit and nut trail mix. Awesome. So they have breakfast from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. on the weekends, 9 a.m. on it ends at 9 a.m. on the weekdays. And right now, since the pandemic is going on, they're just offering to-go bags for breakfast. So you just request one. Complimentary shuttle van service. Huh, that's nice. So it says, please notify the desk agent what time you will need to be dropped off and picked up and be in the lobby 10 minutes before your departure time. How did you know where the elevators were? Look at this nice lobby area. This is nice. It's a nice business center. It's the gym. Some towers. There's a pool. New pool hours 10 to 7 p.m. So there's several locations of Home2Suites in Houston, and this one is called Energy Corridor. It's just a tad bit out of the city, downtown Houston. I think I made a good decision staying here. It's a nice pit stop. Nearby, there are lots of things actually. I mean, Houston offers a lot. But mainly, I wanted to check out a Buc-ee's because Buc-ee's is like a legendary gas station and convenience store based in Texas. So my friend was just telling me about it last year and asked if I had checked out a Buc-ee's. I have never even heard about it. So then I did some research, and they are based in Texas and have the world's largest convenience store. Oh, also, so obviously, this is a very pet-friendly hotel, and it's $75 pet fee. So other than the pet fee, this hotel stay is free because I paid with my hotel points. It was 22,000 Hilton points, and if you wanted to pay for it, it's actually not that bad. It would have been $98. So a very, nice hotel for $98. Okay, well, I'm gonna unwind a little bit and rest up because we had a long journey and we're gonna have more long journeys ahead. Our hotel stay at Home2Suites in Houston, Energy Corridor, was really great. Kuma and I really enjoyed our time there. I think Kuma enjoyed it more than I did. She was just like all smiles. She's like running down the hallways. Oh, and she loved the views out the window because it was something different. She loved the large king-size bed. The bed was super comfortable. I really slept like a baby. The room gets really dark too. It was very quiet. I was a little bit worried because there were kids staying down the hall or like a couple doors away from us, and they were a little bit loud during the day, but no noise at night at all. It was very, very quiet. The shower was nice and hot, great pressure. The towels were great. I just really loved how spacious and clean that room was. The housekeeper was great. The whole staff actually was very friendly. Went down to go get breakfast, and right now, since the pandemic is going on, they don't have buffets at hotels, and what they do is give you to-go bags of breakfast. So they'll give you like to-go coffee, any juice. They give you just orange juice, and then a bag full of breakfast goods like a breakfast sandwich, yogurt, a fruit, apple, and a granola bar. So yeah, this is my first time staying at Home2Suites by Hilton, and I really loved it. It's a great hotel. And for like the price point, even better. And they're pet friendly. And for being pet friendly, there's a super clean hotel, like spick and span clean. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to watch more of our videos, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.